Good afternoon, my NPP peeps. Well, if you paid attention Monday, we said that we were not expecting a move over this .382 retrace, the .382 retrace of this move, which is 2650, and the downtrend line to be broken until Thursday's job numbers. We said it's possible and we could rally. But most likely, this market was going to wait until Thursday's job numbers to get uber bullish. What happened yesterday? We rallied right up to the 2650, right up to the downtrend line, and couldn't close above it. And then today, massive gap down and closed below the 10 SMA. And for us, that makes a short-term bearish outlook anytime you close below that 10 SMA. So tomorrow could be the catalyst for either a move down here to 2030 to complete a fifth wave. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to complete a fifth wave down to around 2030 area. 2100, 2030, complete that move so then we can finally get more of a sustained rally, probably up here to this 2800 level. Or tomorrow's job numbers could surprise, be not as horrific as the market is fearing, and we break this downtrend line, break this 2650, and go straight to 2800. To complete a C wave up, A, B, C. So it all depends, I think, on tomorrow's job numbers. And then Friday we have the non-farm payroll numbers as well. So that could, both of these numbers are going to create major volatility, and the swings will be wild. And if it's a disappointing number, I think we come here. Surprising number, I think we go up here. So we could go either way. Good news is I think we're going to get resolution soon. I think Thursday, Friday, maybe early next week. If we do head lower, I think we bottom by early next week. And then we can start looking to get long. And then tomorrow, if we start rallying and break this downtrend line and start heading up, that's the time to get long too, to catch this move up to 2800, possibly 2900, maybe test this 50 SMA. So we have we're now to the point where we're getting close to a larger rally. Could happen tomorrow, or could start happening early next week. So we've pretty much, not trying to brag, but we've pretty much played this perfectly. We actually got short a little bit here, just in case we would see some selling before the job numbers on tomorrow. We got just that with this gap down. So we're pretty much flat right here, just waiting on the market's reaction to these job numbers tomorrow. It's going to be at 5:30 a.m. Pacific time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So it's one to watch. The number right now, the market is expecting around 2 to 3 million. And if we get like a 5 to 10 million print, I think we head down here. If we get, in between 2 and 4 million, I think we head up here. So just watch that print. If it shocks the market, you'll know. We'll get a monster gap down. So let's watch tomorrow, and keep in mind, this is actually good news. We're finally going to get a chance to go long at some point. Whether this is the bottom or this is the bottom, the rally time, a bigger rally is about to be upon us. So be patient, wait for those numbers, wait for the market to react. Maybe even give it till Monday, and then we'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're watching. Overall, overall market, not just thinking short term. Overall, this is still looking bearish. You have a 200 SMA starting to slope down. You have a 50 SMA that's crossed through the 200 SMA, sloping down. So, not the best look. And even if we get a rally tomorrow up to here, I still expect, because of this long-term trend change, I do expect a final move back to this point at some time. So play it as you feel comfortable. If we do get the rally, we want to play it long to test these levels. But if we do come down here and test this 2030 level, I think this is a good buy point to get at least a strong rally before we resume a downtrend, or this could be, a bottom, depending on how long this coronavirus lasts. How much longer before any kind of treatment. So if we get some good news, if deaths start slowing down, if new cases start slowing down, we flatten the curve, people start talking about the economy being able to maybe open back up, that's when we'll bottom. That's when we'll start heading higher. So I think that this at least will be a temporary floor. So if you want to wait for that to be hit, because you don't want to watch the market every day, this is a good point to just start putting your money in and letting it sit. So this 2030 area. All right, guys, that's really all I got. I'm going to be up bright and early, ready to see those numbers and how the market reacts, and we will trade accordingly. So best of luck, and we'll likely talk to you at the close tomorrow. So we will talk to you tomorrow, and thanks for joining. Ta-ta.